is Sean
and Troy.
Today we are going to be putting random stuff in this subwoofer.
If you haven't seen our beautiful faces before, make sure to like and subscribe below.
Please, it really helps
this
us.
video. We're starting off with some smarty pants. I'm smart, and I've got some pants on.
Yep. Can you open it?
Smarties everywhere.
Oh.
That'll be enough. A little more. Oh, wow, a little bit, Mum.
3, 2, 1, go! Now we have some popcorn.
In it goes. Pop, 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 pop. Okay,
Hold
that's
it,
a
that's
lot.
3, 2, 1, go.
Popcorn's ready. Let's try some glitter. This is going to make a big mess. 3, 2, 1,
drop it!
Whoa!
Oh wow!
Now, I can see all the purple.
Now that's so sick. Look at that rainbow, Mum.
Look at my hand.
That's limited. Let's try some slime.
Green slime. In it goes. This is really sticky slime. Alright, clean this one up.
Ew.
I think this is going to go kaboom and go on Sean's head, and he's going to drown from slime.
3, 2, 1, slime time!
Just go
I
into
think
it.
it's going to stop.
It's stuck. It's not coming out. This is disappointing. Chef time.
Oh.
I'm not good at cracking eggs. I got 3. I got 2. I got 1.
This is going to go anywhere. Oh wow.
Look, it looks so
wow.
cool. It's going. It's what's so funny. It looks weird. It looks weird. Jelly time!
Oh no.
It's going everywhere.
It's my cake floating everywhere.
That was weird. It's just a. I'm surprised it's not going up in the air. It's going everywhere. It's going everywhere. I'm backing away. Wow,
We just moved it out to the lawn because it's going to be super messy.
It's paint.
Holy. watching.
This was really messy and it's going to take us forever to clean.
I hope you like this video and smash that like button and subscribe if you want to see another one.
Well, bye.
See ya.
Have fun.